Hey, so today on Tuesday Tip, we wanted to go over the winter mowing. This time of the year, people are out there mulching up those leaves and they're just running over their yards and those kind of things. And I just wanted to talk to you about that for a second. As you go out into your yard this time of the year and you have a lot of leaves, or maybe you're finishing up with your leaves, if you're looking around your yard, be careful with doing a lot of mulching. We have a lot of people that'll call and they'll say, hey, we've mulched our yard, and then we get over there and there's a real thick layer of leaves, and what happens is over the from now until the spring and the summer, those leaves pile up on top of the grass, and then they keep the grass from actually being able to come back up. So when you're out there this time of the year, make sure that you're paying attention to that. Also, change directions in your mowing patterns. If you're mowing in the same direction every single time, then what that's going to result in is you're going to have ruts, or you're going to have divots or marks in the ground, and that's going to result in having some bad stuff go on there. But we want to make sure that when you're out there and you're mowing the grass, that you change direction, watch the amount of thatch or leaves that are piling up and building up in certain areas of your yard, because you want to make sure that you don't have that come the springtime, because that way the moisture and the stuff can get down into the ground and it can get into the root zone of the plants. So we want to make sure that we don't have a real thatch layer build up come springtime. So hey, if you need some help with that, give us a call here at Real Turf Solutions. We're more than happy to get one of our turf experts out to help you and take a look at it for you.